How do millionaires and billionaires know all the right people? They have a secret VIP list while we are stuck trying to make small talk at awkward networking events. But here is the truth. Their connections are not luck. They are built strategically. And if you think you need money to get into these circles, think again. By the end of this video, you will know precisely how the ultra-wealthy create robust networks, and how you can too. Stick around because one strategy might change your entire future. Number 1. The law of proximity. Placing yourself in the right rooms. The rich do not hope to meet influential people. They engineer it. They put themselves in the correct rooms, surrounded by ambitious, like-minded individuals. But here is the secret. It is not always about exclusive events or pricey clubs. Many of today's billionaires started by showing up where opportunities were happening: industry conferences, charity events, and even online communities. Take Elon Musk, for example. Before PayPal and Tesla, he showed up at the right tech meetups, immersing himself in circles that would eventually help him fund his ideas. The lesson? Your network is a reflection of your environment. So where are you spending your time? But showing up is just the first step. Being in the right room is useless if you do not know how to stand out. Number 2. Provide value first. The magnet strategy. Most people network the wrong way. They meet someone successful and immediately think, what can I get from them? That is a one-way ticket to being ignored. Instead, the wealthy follow a different rule. They provide value first. Billionaire Richard Branson built his empire by meeting influential people and offering something in return: business insights, collaboration, or even good energy. Think about it. When was the last time you met someone who did not ask for anything, but instead offered something helpful? Rare, right? That is why it works. The more you help, the more you become a magnet for high-value relationships. Number 3. The power of social proof. How to become instantly more influential. Have you ever noticed how people treat you differently depending on who you are with? If you are seen with successful people, you are perceived as successful too. That is called social proof. Billionaires use it like a cheat code. Here is a wild fact. Many ultra-wealthy individuals intentionally get photographed, interviewed, or associated with other influential figures because the world assumes they belong in that group. It is psychological. When Jeff Bezos started Amazon, he strategically aligned himself with top investors and tech minds, which skyrocketed his credibility. So how do you use this? Start small. Join online communities, collaborate with up-and-coming professionals, or even be seen at the right events. The more you associate with ambitious people, the more opportunities come. Number 4. The secret of long-term relationships. Playing the long game. The rich do not just make contacts, they cultivate relationships over years. They check in, provide value over time, and invest in people before they ever need anything. Take Warren Buffett. His closest business relationships have been built over decades, not months. That is how you turn a simple connection into a lifelong ally. So if you think of networking as a get-rich-quick hack, you're already playing the wrong game. Think of networking as dating. It's weird if you ask someone to marry you 5 minutes after a meeting. The same goes for relationships in business. Build trust first, then let opportunities flow naturally. So there you have it, the secret playbook of how the ultra-wealthy build their networks. They put themselves in the right rooms. They offer value before asking for anything. They leverage social proof to build credibility. They invest in relationships for the long haul. Now the question is, how will you start applying these strategies today? Drop a comment with the one strategy you are going to try first. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on building wealth.